Your home is your sanctuary, a place where you should feel safe and secure. However, one of the most vulnerable points in any home is the door. Whether it's your front door, back door, or even the garage entrance, doors are often the first line of defense against intruders. If you're a homeowner in Sumter looking to enhance the security of your property, professional door installation can play a crucial role in protecting your loved ones and belongings. Here's how investing in professional door installation can significantly improve your home's security. Choosing the right door for maximum security. One of the first steps in securing your home is selecting a door that offers robust protection. While a standard wooden door may suffice for some, it may not be strong enough to resist forceful entry or wear over time. Professional installers can guide you in choosing the best door materials for maximum security. Steel, fiberglass, and solid core wood doors are all excellent options known for their durability and resistance to break-ins. Steel doors, for example, are resistant to kicking or prying, and when paired with a heavy-duty frame, they create a formidable barrier. A professional installer will help you understand the benefits and drawbacks of each option and choose one that fits your security needs and budget. Additionally, they will ensure that the door is properly installed to maximize its protective features, reducing the chances of gaps or weak points that could be exploited by intruders. High-quality locks and hardware. Even the strongest door won't do much good if it's equipped with a subpar lock. Professional door installation in Sumter typically includes the installation of high-quality locks and hardware, ensuring that the door's security is maximized. Common upgrades include deadbolt locks, smart locks, and reinforced strike plates that make it more difficult for burglars to gain entry. Deadbolt locks, for instance, are much harder to tamper with than regular spring latch locks. Professional installers can also offer advice on smart locks, which provide an added layer of convenience and security. These locks allow you to monitor and control access to your home remotely, adding another level of protection against unauthorized entry. Additionally, professionals will ensure that all the hardware is installed correctly, with no loose screws or poorly fitted components that could compromise security. They understand the mechanics of locks and frames, ensuring a smooth, reliable system that operates smoothly every time. Enhanced curb appeal without sacrificing security. A door should not only protect your home but also enhance its appearance. Professional door installation services in Sumter offer a wide variety of options that combine aesthetic appeal with high security. Whether you prefer a modern design, a traditional look, or something more custom, you'll be able to find a door that complements your home while offering excellent protection. Additionally, professional installation ensures that your door fits perfectly within its frame, which is essential for maintaining security. Poorly fitted doors or frames create weak spots that can easily be exploited, even if the door itself is of high quality. When installed by professionals, your door will fit tightly, eliminating any gaps that could be used for forced entry. Improved weather resistance and durability. In Sumter, where weather conditions can be unpredictable, a well-installed door can help protect your home from the elements. Doors that are improperly installed may warp or become damaged by moisture, reducing their overall effectiveness in keeping out unwanted visitors. Professional door installation ensures that the door is not only secure but also resistant to weather damage. Fiberglass and steel doors, for instance, can withstand extreme weather conditions, providing long-lasting durability. Moreover, proper sealing and insulation techniques can help maintain your home's energy efficiency by preventing drafts and heat loss, offering both comfort and security. Expert installation for peace of mind. Perhaps one of the most significant benefits of professional door installation is the peace of mind that comes with knowing the job has been done right. Professional installers have the expertise and experience necessary to handle the intricacies of door installation, ensuring that everything, from the frame to the hardware, is securely in place. By hiring a professional, you avoid the common pitfalls of DIY installation, such as improperly installed locks or frames that could compromise the security of your home. With their knowledge, professionals ensure that your new door is not only functional but also an effective deterrent to burglars. Conclusion. Enhancing the security of your home is a top priority for any homeowner, and investing in professional door installation in Sumter is an excellent way to achieve that. From choosing the right door materials to installing high-quality locks and ensuring a perfect fit, professional installation will give you a sense of security and peace of mind. By upgrading your door and its components, you create a strong first line of defense against potential threats, making your home a safer place for you and your family.